Hey, welcome back to my channel Shiv on Tour. Buckle up because today I'm taking you on a crazy ride. Quite literally, we're on the edge of the world, navigating treacherous roads to reach the mesmerising Pangong Lake. Get ready for a story of survival, stunning landscapes, and the journey of a lifetime. This is not your average road trip and why most people don't make it. Hit that subscribe button, like, and let's dive into this heart-stopping escapade together. Let's roll. Hey, welcome to my channel Shiv on Tour, where adventure knows no boundaries. I'm Shiv and I've embarked on an epic journey that's taken me far from the bustling streets of London to the far-flung corners of our beautiful planet. That's right, I've kissed the 9-to-5 goodbye and traded in my Oyster card for a passport. This channel is your opportunity to join me on this incredible journey. Together, we'll immerse ourselves in different cultures, taste exotic cuisines, and discover the stories that make our world so diverse and fascinating. But this isn't just about my adventures, it's about inspiring you to chase your own dreams and step out of your comfort zone. Thanks for being part of my journey. Stay tuned for incredible destinations, insightful travel tips, and unforgettable experiences. So, hit that subscribe button, join me, and let's make memories that will last a lifetime. Let's go. So if you're wondering what the route looks like from Hunder Valley to Pangong Lake, this is it. I love the route, apparently it's like this, where it's like off-road and bumpy, and it's going to be a long journey.
How are you feeling?
I'm right at the edge again. This is like
Some dodgy road, isn't it?
really dodgy road, bumpy road, not actually roads. We're just in the mountain. So our driver is, because it's raining, is checking we think for landslides, like if it's about to happen, which is good. So hopefully you can see them. If they're gonna happen, hopefully they won't. But it's good that he's just keeping an eye out. So there's something that you're not told when you come to Ladakh, go on these trips. Firstly, the roads are just crazy, and secondly, your car can get stuck. I don't know if you can see, but the car down there is stuck in the water. Some people are trying to push it. I think some people are going to try and help as well, but let's hope we all don't get stuck and we all need help. I think because it was raining today. Some of the guys are trying to turn the wheels manually because I think the water's stuck in the wheel, but
They're trying to push it out.
yeah, they're trying to push it out and trying to turn the wheel. All the drivers have gone to help, but look, it was raining, it's all this water. What happens in this scenario? We head back. Oh,
Looks like the wheels are mashed up the wheels, man.
yeah. Oh, they've got their like trousers up, trying to push the car. Don't know if this is picking it up. Can you go down there? Come on, guys. It doesn't look like it's budging at all.
Our driver's gone to help.
That's sad. It doesn't look like it's even moving a bit. Because from here it looks like the wheel is like burst. So I don't know what can be done.
Now this guy's stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on.
So as more cars kept coming, people actually got out the cars to try and help these two cars get through, but nothing that they were doing was working. The cars were completely stuck. So we were all just stuck in the middle of the mountains, in the water. At this point, I genuinely thought that we'd be stuck here forever, and they actually was trying to pull us over the river because the water was getting higher and rougher, so they were trying to pull us to a bit of safety, and yeah, none of us knew what was going on or what we could do next.
People got to push it from the front.
As we were waiting, we got speaking to a couple who wanted to continue on, but their driver didn't. Their driver wanted to actually head back. But our driver was great. He was so skillful. He even drove other people's cars over this river.
Yeah, our driver. Yeah, I'm just gonna stand here.
So this is our driver stepping in to someone else's car to try and reverse it, to help the stuck car to get a tow on it.
Fast. Hey!
Make a tightrope now, the other one didn't cut it.
That's what a tow rope looks like in India.
Yeah.
The drivers' community here was so strong. Every driver pulled something out of their car to try and help the other cars come through. They had ropes, chains, hooks, everything.
Let some help come in.
We've got reinforcements coming, the JCB. the chains.
They're changing this time. Thank you, sir.
Come on, girl. Is it a girl driving it? I said, is it a girl driving it?
After what seemed like hours, a JCB turned up to help the situation, and the roads are actually manned by the army, so somehow they were informed, send the JCB, which, you know, helped the whole situation. But, you know, this is a whole ordeal. And also, we were considering to get a motorbike and do this ride ourselves. We were told the roads were kind of bad. We did not expect them to be like this at all. So if you are a novice driver, I would potentially think again to do this by yourself. Like, if you're experienced, then go for it. There were some riders, but they were stuck. Like, they were more stuck than we were. And this is just one snippet of how bad the roads are. So just be careful. And the community here is great though. So if you are riding solo or you are by yourself, everyone will get together to help you. You will never be left alone. So you don't have to worry about that.
Race, race.
Don't give up.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
And when we thought the drama was over, we had to drive through a literal waterfall, which was really scary as the car was really slippery. And just an FYI, 90% of this journey is like this. It's all off-road and it's really bumpy. No one told us just how hard this journey would be. So if you have back problems or are pregnant, I would think twice. We even met a family at the restaurant who was suffering with altitude sickness, so definitely take a few days in Leh to acclimatise before you take this journey. Thanks for joining me on this journey. In the next episode, I will take you to the magnificent Pangong Lake. But before I do, what would a road trip to Pangong Lake be without a roadside Maggie?
Stopped over on a side road to eat.
And we've got some masala Maggi. First time having Maggi.
Veggie. Oh, veggie Maggie. Just tastes like noodles.